Welcome back to my channel. As women, we juggle many roles. We are caregivers, professionals, and homemakers. It's time to add another important role, the role of a financially savvy woman. Financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers. It's about taking control of your life and your future. It's about making smart choices today that will bring you peace of mind and financial security tomorrow. Many women shy away from finances, thinking it's complicated or that it's not their thing. But let me tell you, managing your money is empowering. It gives you the freedom to pursue your dreams, support your loved ones, and live life on your own terms. This essay will equip you with 3 golden rules to make smarter financial decisions. These rules are easy to understand and implement. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. The friendship test, choosing wise spending. Imagine this, you're invited to a luxurious weekend getaway with friends. It's tempting, right? But the trip comes with a hefty price tag. This is where the friendship test comes in. True friends understand and support your financial goals. They value your well-being over extravagant displays. Instead of spending, say, 10,000 rupees on that luxury hotel stay, consider investing it. Imagine showing your friends your investment portfolio a year later, with your money growing steadily. That's something to be truly proud of. Remember, true friendship is about connection and shared values, not about who spends the most. Breaking the cycle, conquering binge spending. We all have those days, a bad day at work, a stressful commute, a disappointment. It's easy to fall into the trap of retail therapy, hoping that a new outfit or gadget will make us feel better. This is what I call the binge test. Recognize your spending triggers. When you feel the urge to splurge, pause. Instead of heading to the mall, try these alternatives. Call a friend, listen to uplifting music, go for a run, or engage in a hobby you love. Breaking the cycle of impulsive spending takes effort, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, true happiness comes from within and from experiences, not from material possessions. Section 4. Value for your money, the cost per use test. Before making a purchase, especially a big one, put it through the cost per use test. This means considering how often you'll actually use the item versus its cost. For example, I once purchased an expensive camera because I thought I'd become a professional photographer. The camera sat on my shelf, gathering dust. Its cost per use was astronomical. Had I thought about how often I'd realistically use it, I could have saved that money or invested it. Think about your own purchases. Do you have items in your closet you've barely worn or gadgets you rarely use? Apply the cost per use test and make mindful spending choices. Section 5. Investing versus spending, growing your financial future. Think of it this way. Spending is like buying a pizza. It's satisfying in the moment, but gone quickly. Investing, on the other hand, is like planting a seed that grows into a fruitful tree. Instead of spending 2,500 rupees on takeout, imagine investing that amount. Over time, with the power of compounding, your money can grow significantly. It can create a safety net for unexpected expenses, fund your dream vacation, or secure a comfortable retirement. Remember, small, consistent investments can lead to significant long-term growth. Section 6. Your financial journey starts now. Financial literacy is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your financial goals. By embracing the friendship test, conquering the binge test, and applying the cost per use test, you're taking control of your finances and shaping your own future. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start today.